Hello guys, welcome to my channel Math Magic, which is the ultimate solution of every math problem. So today we are going to learn that how to multiply any 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. So let us start with the basics. In a 3-digit number such as 123, the 3 is known as the ones place or the units place, 2 is known as the tens place, whereas 1 is known as the hundreds place. So while multiplying any 3-digit number by a 3-digit number such as 123 multiplied by 321, we keep 3 as the U1, 1 as U2, 2 as P1, that is like tens 1, units 1, units 2. Similarly, tens 2, hundreds 1, hundreds 2. So basically, if you need to remember the variables given for each place. So let us start with a question. Let us take the question as 123 multiplied by 321. It is the same numbers. So in this, the first step is to multiply U1 and U2. So U1 into U2, that is 3 into 1 equal to 3. The second step is to multiply the T1 into T2, multiply T1 into U2 and add it to the multiplication of T2 into U1 and add it with the multiplication of T2 into U1. It's like a crisscross. So 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 2 is 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 comes here. So let us remove this. Now the next is a bit complicated, but it's simple. The next step is to multiply H1 into U2, add it with H2 into U1 and add it again with T1 into T2. This looks a bit complicated, but this is also simple. It is this into this into this, and this into this. We need to add all of them. So 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into 3 is 9, 2 into 2 is 4. So 1 plus 9, 10 plus 4, 14. Now we need to keep a note that 2 digits cannot come at a place. 1 digit only comes, so the other one goes as a carryover. So 4 comes here and 1 is a carryover. Now the next step is also simple. It is again a crisscross between H1 and U2 and H2 and T1. So H1 into T2 plus H2 into T1. That is 1 into 2 plus 3 into 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 6, 9. So 9 comes here. The next step is simple. We need to multiply H1 and H2. That's the fifth step. So H1 into H2, that is 1 into 3 is equal to 3. So 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 3, 2, 1 is 39,483. You can see the steps are very simple. We can do this in 20 seconds. I was doing slowly to just teach you. Otherwise, you can do it in seconds. Let us take another question such as 741 multiplied by 312. This is simple. We need to follow the same steps. So the first step is to multiply U1 and U2. So 1 into 2 is 2. Second step is to multiply T1 and U2. So 4 into 2 is 8. T2 and T1, 1 into 1 is 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. The next step is to multiply h1 and u2, that is 7 into 2 14, plus 3 into 1 is equal to 3, and 4 into 1 is 4. So 4 plus 3 7, plus 4 11, 2 comes here, 1 goes right here, 2 comes as a carryover, then 7 into 2 14, plus 3 into 3 3, plus 17 plus 4 21. So 21 is written here, as you can see. 1 comes here, 2 goes as a carryover. Next step is to multiply h1 into t2. So 7 into 1 is 7, plus 3 into 4 is 12. 2 plus 7 9, plus 2 11. 21 again comes here, 1 comes here, 2 goes as the carryover. 7 3s are 21, plus 2 is equal to 23. So 741 multiplied by 312 is equal to 231192. This is really simple. Let us take a tough question such as $941 multiplied by 723. So now in this question, you take a pen and a paper, pause this and solve it. This is really simple. 941 multiplied by 723. By now, you would have got the answer. So let's check it. U1 into U2 is 3. T1 into U2 is 12. T2 into U1 is 2. So 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. 4 comes here. 1 goes as a carryover. Then 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 4 into 2 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 7 is 15, plus 8 is 23. 3 comes here, 2 comes here, 2 into 2 is 4. So 3 comes here, 4 goes as a carryover. Now the next step you know is to multiply h1 and t2, that is 9 into 2, 18, and add it with h2 and t1, 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 4 plus 8, 12 plus 8, 20. 2 plus 1, 3, 2, 5. So 0 comes here, 5 goes as the carryover. 9 7s are 63 plus 5 is 68. So 941 multiplied by 723 is 6,80,343. Look how simple it is. In this, you need to practice 10 or 20 types of similar problems. That is 3 digit into 3 digit. Then you get the answer in just some seconds. You can do it very simply. You just need to learn these 5 steps and then you can solve it in competitive exams too fast.
So friends, if you loved the video, please give it a big thumbs up and motivate us. If you haven't shared the video yet to your friends, please share it now and encourage them to learn the tricks of maths. And if you're new to our channel, Math Magic, which is the ultimate solution of every math problem, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.